We've had a snowstorm in London. I'm going to try and see how long it's going to take to defrost to me. And one bit of advice, in the winter you should always put a bit of WD-40 on the lock so that it all opens up nicely. So I'm going to do before I open the door, obviously, is I'm going to just wipe off this and I'm going to leave it running to see how long it takes to defrost all of this. Here we go. So it's 10 minutes later and look at that, it's all nicely defrosted. Obviously it helped that the snow wasn't all iced up or anything, so it kind of came off quite quickly. Got neighbours brushing off theirs, but my one being so small I was able to get it done. So although I might be mad enough to buy a Citroën, I'm not now going to drive in this other look. It's absolutely treacherous. So let's have a look. What's it done to the range? One good thing though, even in this weather, the AMI did start straight off. After, I tell a lie, it was about 12-13 minutes. So let's have a look. We've lost 3 miles in range to get to me all defrosted. So there you have it. To defrost in a snowstorm like this, it's going to take you 3 miles, but that's really academic because you're going to make it 0 miles in this weather. Look at this, and I'll show you why I wouldn't go. Here's some pictures of people building a snowman, getting stuck, and some nice wintry pictures just to finish this video off. See you soon everyone, ta-da! Might not be able to go anywhere in the AMI, but you've got these men making a big old snowman. Look at that. Look at that. Look what's happening.
Guys, put in neutral.
Neutral and push it.
Put in neutral. Put in neutral.